Welcome to my coffee shop. Today we're focusing on Fabbri products. We're going to do different drinks, starting with the iced coffee. For the iced coffee, that's my brewed espresso. I start by grinding. I need fresh coffee, so I'm going to grind when I need. I then goes in. Then levelize. Excess coffee, and up. Then go to tamping. Tamp. Once. Twice. And I make sure my water filter is clean. Then flushing, of course, flushing helps regulate temperature and to remove the particles of the coffee from the previous brew. So I already flushed, and I brew my coffee. As I brew my coffee, I'm going to prepare my milk. My milk for the iced coffee has to be cold milk. I'm going to froth the cold milk in order to get froth, just like hot coffee has froth, cold coffee also has froth. So this is my speedometer. I'm frothing my milk. My coffee is enough. My coffee. I need my cinnamon for my iced coffee. Cinnamon syrup. Shake it well. Then I need 15 ml. Using my calibration glass, I'm going to do 15 ml. And that's my 15 ml, enough for serving. Gently into my ice cube, on top of my ice cubes. It has to mix with the milk and coffee. And my froth milk is ready with me. I'm going to do milk, and of course I need froth in it. I'm going to pull the froth up. And I top with cold milk. My cinnamon iced coffee is ready. It's going to be Coffe Mocha. It consists of coffee. I have to make sure my water filter is clean. And I'm going to do my 2 doses of espresso coffee. I have to levelize, and any excess coffee I put it back. And I have to tamp. Tamping. I have to make sure my water filter is clean. I'm going to do chocolate in my glass. I have my chocolate. For the mocha, of course, it's coffee and chocolate. So I have to do chocolate in my glass. Chocolate. I'm going to do my coffee. I'm going to brew coffee, of course I'm flashing. And I brew coffee on top of my chocolate. And as I brew my coffee, I'm going to froth my milk. My coffee is already enough. coffee mixed with chocolate. And I'm now going to do frothing. I should have enough froth. And my milk is ready. I do my coffee, my mocha. It's pouring. And my mocha, to finish my mocha, I have to give it a wet garnish, which I'm pouring the chocolate on top, on the ground. I'm going to use the Barista Kit, give it a wet garnish. It's in my kit, my Barista Kit, my kit. I'm giving the rub. And my mocha is ready. And I go to brew my coffee. I need a single espresso, or a single latte, single vanilla latte. And I immediately activate to brew my coffee. As I brew my coffee, I'm doing my milk for the latte, and this is steaming. It's ready. And my coffee is ready. I need to do my vanilla in the glass, so I have to do pumping. I need 15 ml of vanilla. So using a pump, 1 pump, 3, and this is 15 ml. I need coffee, and gently to make sure I get all the crema. And I have to make sure I pour the coffee in order to leave the separation of the coffee and the vanilla. Then I add milk. I add my steamed milk. And my vanilla latte is ready. Please enjoy.